Diwali.
Founder, Roots to Roots.
And Tina Buchani, also co-founder Roots to Roots.
Okay. Can you tell us about the inspiration behind the rhythms and rags and how it aligns with Roots to Roots mission to promote the culture?
We have been promoting Indian art and heritage for the past 2 decades. And we've been doing concerts and theatre festivals, film festivals, art exhibitions, and multifarious things, student exchange programs. So over the years, we felt that this was the logical, next step for us to be able to make it reach to the maximum number of people. Since we have been digitizing and spreading this Indian art and culture also digitally to 24,000 schools and colleges across India and impacting more than 2 crore children. So we thought, let us bring out something substantial for them where they can be empowered with the complete knowledge of what they are learning.
How do you envision the collaboration impacting the promotion of Indian art and culture?
So we are teaching Indian art and culture in India and to 70 countries worldwide. So we connected with the Indian embassies abroad. They registered the diaspora as well as foreigners into this, and we're teaching to about 70 countries in the world. That's one, and it's all Indian art and culture. So we go in classical music, classical dances, and that's what we do. This book is an extension to all that. With this book, everybody can know exactly when it started, how it is transformed, and what are the jewelry requirement, what are the musical requirements, instruments requirement. So this book encompasses all of it of different genres. So this is the first set of books, of 3 books, which covers Hindustani vocal, which covers Bharatnatyam, and which covers Kathak. So this is the first series of books that in different other Indian classical arts, more books are following.
Sir, how does the organization digital program, which has reached over 24,000 schools and impacted more than 20 million students, contribute to its mission?
To Roots mission? Yeah, Roots to Roots mission is that every new generation, which we can say we are touching into the school level mostly, if they are musically knowledgeable, especially Indian classical music, the growth of the children, the stress level of the children in the education will automatically reduce, and they'll know more about Indian culture, and it is more of a unification. Right now what we're talking of is the mobile screen times and all that. This is where they will talk of living together, unity. Because music is when you are in a group, it's not individual. So this is all what we do, and we have seen in these many years that the stress level in the students have gone down considerably after this program that they've joined.
So sir, there is any upcoming initiatives?
Yes, we are having, as it is, every day we are having classical classes. We are teaching children in 16 genres. Every day there are 2 classes in the schools, and the schools are teaching this, and more disciplines are being added.
मैम, हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से क्या बोलेंगे आप व्यूअर्स को?
मेरे ख्याल से म्यूज़िक और आर्ट एक चीज़ है जिसकी कोई बाउंड्रीज़ नहीं है, और हमें किसी हद में नहीं रहना चाहिए. जितना भी हो हम इसको हर एक की तरफ ये पहुंचा सकें और लोगों में एक होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट इसके द्वारा हम पैदा कर सकें. यही हमारा मकसद है कि हर बच्चा, हर इंसान जो है इससे जुड़ा रहे.
अब पब्लिश करता है वो आजकल, the concept of course came from them. Paragon as a company, we have published the biggest musicians in the world, may it be John Lennon, we've done the history of rock. और बहुत काम हिंदुस्तान में पिछले 15 सालों से हो रहा है. We have published in about 11 Indian languages. लेकिन ये कॉन्सेप्ट खास करके क्योंकि मैं खुद एक आर्टिस्ट हूँ, आई रियली लव्ड एंड आई थैंक रूट टू come together for a collaboration. I've been sort of early years attached to Kathak, but publishing today is very, very important, but not necessarily only with words. The words with pictures, the words with illustrations and explanations, so that there's engagement. आजकल किताबें इसलिए नहीं पढ़ी जाती बिकॉज वो बहुत सिर्फ इंटरेस्टिंग है, वो दिखनी भी पड़ती हैं बिकॉज एवरीथिंग हैज़ टू बी डिजिटल, एवरीथिंग हैज़ टू लेंड इटसेल्फ टू digital medium, and I think the input we got from Root to Root in terms of these authors who've been sort of masters in their field, which has been a great journey, I must say. And Paragon, of course, would do its best to have it not just popularized in India at the retail level, but of course across the world. And we would imagine that the digital angle of this on our app, which I'll talk later, would be a wonderful association.
नमस्कार, मैं कथक डांसर और कथावाचक ऋचा जैन एंड जो आज का इवेंट है वो हमारी बुक लॉन्च है रूट्स टू रूट्स के थ्रू. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि 3 साल से हम लोग इन बुक्स पे काम कर रहे थे और एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया गया पैरागॉन पब्लिशर्स और रूट्स टू रूट्स के द्वारा, जहाँ पर कथक जो मेरा सब्जेक्ट है, मेरी बुक है, उसको हम आम लोगों तक पहुँचाने का काम कर रहे हैं. अक्सर क्या होता है कि ऐसा समझा जाता है कि जैसे क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म्स हैं या आर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं, ये सिर्फ क्लासेस के लिए होते हैं, मासेस के लिए नहीं होते. पर इन बुक्स के माध्यम से हम लोग मासेस तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं, उन लोगों